Hi guys, hi, it's me, Mr. Masuto, hashtag Bafsalt Guru. On my Facebook page, it's Bafsalt Guru. Thank you for being here and thank you for listening to this video. Guys, we have our men, they love us, we love them, but sure, they are very stingy. Guys, eh, 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 eh. Uh-uh. I know I'm not alone in this. We all experience this. Those guys that are so very stingy. They don't badge, if I must say, haba beach guys. And it's not like we need their money or anything. But there must be that presence, those money that they give you, without even asking how, guys. Mm-mm. So, guys, I have for you, girls, I have for you, even if you are not thinking of asking him, don't ask. Talk to these things that I'm about to give you. Money dupe. It's a dupe. You take a little pinch, you take a little pinch of this money dupe. You bath with umzaneno bath salt. And then you take money while bathing, you take money dupe, and then while the smoke is going off on that bathroom that you will be bathing in or your room, talk with this smoke, talk with this money dupe. Tell it that you want your man to give you money. You want your girlfriend to give you money. I know there are those who give their men money, so it's the same situation on this. Use money dupe. Guys, I'm telling you a secret. Money dupe. It's a dupe. It has money. The box has to have money outside of it. Guys, it's working like a charm. I know, I know it's a must have if you have a stingy boyfriend. I no longer struggle in that department because I know my worth, I know what I can do. So, guys, get yourself money dupe and umzaneno bath salt. Bath with umzaneno bath salt. And while bathing, tell it that you want your man to be like next to you, to give you money, to listen to you. Tell that money dupe that you need money from your man without even asking. They must know, he must know, he must know that he must give you money. They must give you money. So use it and give me a feedback because I know what I'm talking about and I know they work. Guys, for more videos on this, please subscribe below. Thank you for being here today. Thank you, guys.